To set your phone as a Wi-Fi access point to share your connection in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap mobile hotspot and tethering. Turn on mobile hotspot by tapping the on off switch next to mobile hotspot until the switch turns blue. Now your phone is set as a Wi-Fi access point to let other devices using your phone's mobile data or Wi-Fi connection to access the internet. To see the configuration, tap mobile hotspot. Here you can see the network name, password, and other details of your mobile hotspot. On the other devices, go to setting, tap connection, turn on Wi-Fi by tapping the on off switch next to Wi-Fi until the switch turns blue. Tap Wi-Fi, find the hotspot name and then tap it. Next, enter the hotspot password. And then tap connect. If you have typed the right password, you will be connected to the shared hotspot and you can use the connection to access the internet. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.